Hormone therapy gets a bad rap, but for many women, it's a total game changer. Let's separate fact from fear. Hormone therapy replaces the estrogen, and sometimes progesterone or testosterone, that your body is no longer producing in the same amounts. When started at the right time, usually under age 60 or within 10 years of menopause, it can dramatically reduce hot flashes, improve sleep, mood, and bone health for many. Recent evidence and updated FDA guidance in 2025 have removed outdated black box warnings for appropriate use, showing that benefits often outweigh risks for the right candidate. Myths from older studies overstated dangers. Today we know timing, dose, and type matter a lot. It's not the fountain of youth, but it might just stop the flood of symptoms. Always discuss personalized options, patches, gels, pills with your doctor. Weigh your own benefits and risks together. Informed choices are powerful. Talk to your healthcare provider and make the decision that's right for you.